Our topic in mathematics today is tips and tricks to remember 8 times table. If you're finding difficulty remembering 8 times table, then now is the right time, and this is the video which will provide you with extremely easy and fast tricks and tips for memorizing the table of 8. There are two methods which we will teach you today to remember the 8 times table. You can choose any of these which you find easier for you. Now let's see method 1. Step 1 of the first method is we'll write down all the numbers starting from 0 till 8. Here's what you should remember. You have to write these numbers from top to bottom. You start from 0 and you will write down numbers one below the other. Once you've reached the number 4, you will repeat number 4 again. That is, you write it twice and then continue up till 8. This would be the tens column. Next, for the ones column, you will start from the bottom next to 8 on the right hand side and write the 2 times table from 0 till 8. Once you have written the 2 times table from 0 till 8, repeat it again. Now let's see if it turns out right. This is the regular way we memorize and write the table of 8. By using method 1, you can see that the first column has numbers written from 0 till 8 with 4 being repeated. This is from top to bottom direction. Next, the ones column starts from the bottom and the table of 2 is written from 0 till 8 twice. So, you can see that through this trick you can easily write down the 8 times table without any confusions. Let's move on to the second method. Over here, this trick says that we have to now write numbers horizontally in rows and columns. You have to take a box of 5 columns and 2 rows. For the ones digit, just like you saw in the first method, we will write down the 2 times table horizontally backwards from 8 to 0 twice in both the rows. Now, for the tens column, in the first row, you have to write from 0 till 4. And in the second row, we will write from 4 till 8. Hence, we'll be getting our 8 times table. Now let's see how it is done through this method. You can see that in the first row, the 2 times table is written backwards from 8 till 0. And the tens, we have 0 to 4 in the first row and 4 till 8 in the second row. So, it absolutely worked and we have our 8 times table. Here's a summary for you to take a quick look at both the tricks. The first method, which shows the 8 times table written vertically, and the second method, which shows the table of 8 horizontally. You can choose whichever method you find easy to write and remember the 8 times table. I hope you enjoyed learning today's math tricks for remembering the table of 8.